The dogs are chasing the bird. She is currently under there. Come on, Pickles. Come on. I'll be right back, you guys. I'm going to film you again when she comes out. Still under there, and everyone is frustrated, including Jessie. I know, and Chubbs. We want her out of there. How are we supposed to get her? I'll get you again when she comes out. She finally came out. She's behind my booth. See her? It's okay, sweeties. She's right there. She's probably going to try to bite you guys. No, she's scary. Are you scared of my phone? She's scared of me right now. I'll film you again when the dogs find her. Chubbs, it's over here. Chubbs, over here. Come here, Chubbs. Look, it's Pickles. She's right here. Come on, Pick. Hang on. Dog meets bird. And under again she goes. I'm going to post this and see the part 2.